This is the Riverfront Trail in Quesnel, British Columbia. And we are here where it says Outlook. And I'll be heading up to the mountain in just a little bit. And there's the Fraser River right there, which starts way up in Mount Robson in the Rocky Mountains. Used to play baseball here at one time in this baseball park here. You can see the baseball diamonds in the far distance there where we used to play, but now they made it into a dog park. I guess baseball just isn't so popular anymore. And here, I'm going to be walking up this mountain here, just up there. This is basically a video now. It's called Sugarloaf Mountain. Here it still says, "Welcome to Riverfront Trail." This is a year-round recreational trail. Enjoy it at your own risk. And here we are. That's the mountain. That's the mountain we're going to go up on. Sugarloaf Mountain. It used to be an old volcano. It's a volcano cone, because all of British Columbia has quite a few volcanoes and so on. And while one active volcano nearby, about 80 kilometers away, that's about 50 miles away, there's an active volcano, not overly active. Beautiful mountains. A bit of a barrier there. They don't really want people driving up here. There's a water tower up here and cellular tower, but you can walk up here. It's no problem. I'm walking into sunshine. Top of the mountain. We're almost there.